The LG C6 OLED delivers stunning picture quality with deep blacks, vibrant colors, and OLED clarity. Enjoy a premium viewing experience with smart features and smooth performance. Inside the box, you'll find the LG C6 OLED, a AAA battery, screws and remote, a pedestal stand, a pedestal base, plus a user manual and a quick start guide to help you get set up in no time. How to use? The LG setup begins by placing the TV on a soft, flat surface and attaching the pedestal stand with the provided screws. After securing the base, the cables are routed through the built-in cable management system for a clean, tidy installation. The initial setup includes selecting language and location, connecting to the LG ThinQ app, accepting terms, tuning channels, and configuring picture and sound settings. Features such as AI Picture Pro and AI Sound Pro automatically optimize content for an enhanced viewing experience. The TV also lets users enable automatic software updates, install recommended apps, and customize energy-saving options. After completing the setup and updates, the LG C6 OLED is ready to deliver smooth performance with smart features, high-quality visuals, and an immersive entertainment experience. Smart features? Provides perfect blacks, stunning contrast, and accurate colors by controlling each pixel individually for exceptional picture quality. Delivers a more realistic viewing experience with deep details, vibrant visuals, and cinematic clarity. Uses intelligent image processing to analyze content and automatically optimize brightness, contrast, sharpness, and details. Enhances every scene with clearer visuals, improved depth, and a more natural viewing experience. Provides easy access to streaming apps, smart home controls, and personalized settings through the LG ThinQ platform. Allows convenient control of your TV using voice commands, mobile devices, and smart features. Automatically analyzes audio content and adjusts sound settings to deliver clearer dialogue, balanced audio, and immersive effects. Creates a more realistic listening experience by optimizing sound based on the type of content being played. Provides smooth gameplay with fast response times, low input lag, and advanced gaming features for a more responsive experience. Specifications. FAQs. Safety precautions. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link in the description below to grab your LG C6 OLED. See you in the next one.